Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button Screen Recorder. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its resolution, you can change video quality, you can change orientation, sound source, you can fix frame rate or you can just set automatic frame rate. You can lock screen to end recording, you can show touch gestures, and you can also show button taps. So, in order to start recording, you have to tap on this button once, and this kind of menu appears. From here you can access settings too. You can access screen recording folder in gallery, like this. And to start recording, just tap on this red button here. And after that recording starts. So let's record something, I don't know. After you completed your recording, tap on the red button once, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, here to the screen recorder album. And here it is, screenshots and screen recordings. And from here you can like share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.